Hey coders! The live YouTube classes may be over, but your medical coding journey is just getting started. If you've been learning with AMCI and you're wondering what comes next, don't worry, we've got you. You can still join our completely free YouTube course created specifically for self-studiers. It's flexible, structured, and designed to help you prep for your future in coding without the overwhelm. Here's exactly how to get started. Step 1, head over to the AMCI website at www.amcicoding.com, YouTube course. This is where your journey begins. Once you're there, read through the specifics of the course. It's important to understand the layout and expectations before diving in. Then, take a moment to officially sign up. This quick step gives you access to everything you'll need to succeed. After that, download the course syllabus. It's your personal roadmap outlining what to study, when to study it, and how it all fits together. Next up, purchase the required books. These are the same resources used in professional training programs and are essential to mastering the material. Once you have everything, make sure you follow the course modules in the correct order. Each lesson builds on the one before it, so trust the process. And if you ever get stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help in our AMCI Discord community. It's full of students, mentors, and instructors ready to support you every step of the way. Still feel like you need more structure or live support? We've got options for that too. Head back to the website for more info on next-level instruction and personalized help. Your future as a medical coder is still within reach, and this course is a powerful next step. So go ahead, take that step today. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more guidance on your coding journey.